How to make font bigger in Telegram. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to open up that Telegram app. Next step, what I'm gonna do, you're gonna see this is the interface of the app. Go ahead and click on the settings on the right corner, okay? Afterwards, you're gonna see multiple options. Go ahead to the appearance, okay? And afterwards, you're gonna see multiple options right here. You're gonna see the chat themes, chat wallpaper, and the color. So what we're gonna do, you're gonna see right here like an option called text size. And as you can see, I already set it on the system, okay, on my phone system. So I'm gonna click on it right here. And if you want to change or resize the font, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just toggle off the use system text size right here, text size. So I'm gonna just toggle it off, and now you can make it bigger if you wanted to, or make it average or even smaller, okay? And if you want to keep it on the system size, go ahead and make it on the system size. And if you didn't want to, you can just toggle it off and change the size or the text size to the way you want. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.